Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Indian Kitchen Abroad. It's not the best summer, but let's make it slightly better with mangoes. I've been making too many desserts lately. I'm going to stop the trend for a while by making mango and jalapeno hot sauce. But before that, let's make a mango lassi. It's not a dessert, right? Even if it is, I don't care. It's very easy to make. Add equal quantities of mango pulp and yogurt to your blender along with some cardamom powder, ice and sugar according to your taste. Blend it up and top it off with some fresh mangoes and any nuts you want. And that's mango lassi. And for the hot sauce, cut 4 jalapenos into halves and you can remove the seeds if you want this to be less spicy. I removed the seeds for 3 halves. Place them in a baking sheet along with 5 to 6 garlic cloves and broil them for 5 to 10 minutes. You can directly roast them on fire or you can just saute them in a pan, anything works. In the meantime, add 200 grams of mango pulp to your saucepan. Cut the mango flesh into diamonds without going through the skin and scoop out with a spoon to get the mango dice. Cut around that mango seed to get all the mango pulp, don't waste it. It's going to be a bit messy, but just wash your hands. Garlic is going to broil faster when compared to jalapenos. After about 5 minutes, when you get some nice color on the garlic, add this to the same saucepan and broil the jalapenos on the second side for another 5 minutes. And this is how they look after that. Add these also to the saucepan and cook everything along with a cup of water until the mangoes break down. Take the last sip of your mango lassi and add 1/3 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, 5 to 6 whole cloves, a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cook until the mangoes break down. Let it cool down for some time and blend. After blending, add this to a saucepan and adjust the seasoning and consistency according to your taste. If you follow this exact recipe, it's going to be spicy. You will get that sweeter notes initially, but it's going to be spicy at the end. You can increase the quantity of mangoes if you want this to be more sweeter. Overall, this was really good. Use this in your fried rice or for your chicken wings or even chips. It's going to be really good.